but I'll just have to.
Maybe it's the operator.
It could very well be. The operator's old and frail.
All right, let's keep going.
Oh, Kevin Green.
We got a lawyer here, Mr. McDermott. Mr. McDermott, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning, Judge.
Now, who's your client?
I have Alessia Gillespie.
Gillespie? I don't see it. I'm gonna start letting them in. Mr. Bowman is in 4. That's the breakout room for the attorneys. And if your client shows, you have privileges to move around, so you can put your client in 5. How about man? Officer Thomas, is up to you now.
Okay.
We have to turn the thing on. Who's your key? Morning, Trooper. We'll put you in breakout room 1 with Mr. Bowman.
Good morning.
Gray, can you take your hat off, please? Thank you. Good morning to you. Let's go with
Morning.
Let's keep going. Officer Thomas.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm gonna try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I do want to say though, I saw a movie this weekend that was absolutely amazing. 688, have you heard of that?
No.
Oh man, I mean that's something to be seen right there.
It was a good movie. I saw it with the kids. It was good.
Yeah, that was excellent. Tyler Perry was it was a Tyler Perry movie, I guess. Oprah Winfrey collaborated work, and that little Kerry Washington, she can act her ass off. Yeah, she. So it was a very, very good movie and very enlightening on Black history. I was amazed that I didn't know anything about that because I try to keep up with my Black history. It's a very good movie. All right. Is that Jericho Joseph O'Quinn? Mr. O'Quinn, are you there? All right, who's this 1 plus DE 2118? I ask you to start your video and unmute yourself for me, please. You unmute, you got your video going. Unmute yourself. Good morning. What's your name, sir? All right, you have to unmute. All right. While he gets his stuff together, Mr. O'Quinn, are you there? All right, we're going to move to the next person then. Am I being heard?
Okay.
Oh, there he is. What's your name, sir?
Cortez Lawrence.
Lawrence, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So Quinn, what about Glover? I know I'm being heard. Glover. Glover's not responding.
Hello, I'm here.
Oh, Queen Glover?
Yes.
All right, you have to turn your video on now.
Okay.
Shit. Today is the date time set trial. Ms. Glover, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock. Unless that officer has shown up already. Let's see, we have, Officer Robinson. Queen Glover, did you, Jamarco O'Quinn, did you respond? Queen Glover's file. On that, let's pass the matter momentarily. On that Zoom user, did they hang up? Okay, turn your camera on, please. State your name. Smith, we're waiting for Officer D. Smith from you, Ms. Glover. We're gonna give them a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock. If they don't show up, we'll get you out of here. If they do show up, then we will get you in the breakout room and speak with the attorney, okay?
Okay.
Judge, Attorney McDermott, I saw my officer has checked in. Is the city attorney here yet?
Yeah, what about your client? Who's your client again?
Yeah, we'll waive his presence.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put you in the break. Who's the officer?
Yeah, Officer Bazkaja, Justin Bazkaja is here.
The trooper? Okay. Yeah, he's talking to him. Go to 4. I'm gonna send Mr. Bowman to 4 when he gets all right, Zoom user, the young lady, what is your name, please?
Shardasia Green.
Shardasia Green.
Yes.
Do you have clothes on now?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Ms. Green, good morning to you. All right, down to Jermaine Gray.
Shit, serious.
Mr. Jermaine Gray.
Morning.
George McMackless. George
Hello?
Mackless.
It's Calvin Greer.
Calvin Greer, you got a lot of background noise. You gotta keep it quiet or mute yourself.
Okay.
Calvin Greer.
Yes.
All right, need you to mute yourself. All right. Jericho O'Quinn never unmuted himself yet, has he?
I'm here.
All right, City of Detroit versus Jericho Joseph O'Quinn, case number SP 161160441. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. O'Quinn.
Jericho O'Quinn.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Counselor, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. it looks like he paid one of the tickets, so we're gonna dismiss the case for paying a related civil infraction. I'll waive the warrant fee. Mr. O'Quinn, have a safe new year, happy new year to you, and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. But I mean, I'm good.
You're good. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. That hey, I paid everything. I'm all squared out.
How many times do I have to say it?
All right.
All right. Have a great day, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Jermaine.
I don't think I was called.
You're not gonna be called until I call your name, please.
Okay.
All right. Good morning to you. All right. Where's Jermaine Gray?
Present.
All right. Good morning to you.
Morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jermaine Monteith Gray, case numbers SP 1242210, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, is this Attorney Johnson's matter?
It is. All right, let's pass the matter for Attorney Johnson to show up. Thank you. All right, let's get down to Luis Fernando. Juanes Grisales or Grisales?
Yes, present. Sir, I need to interpret in Spanish.
All right, very well. Can we get a Spanish interpreter, please?
Yes.
Melody Oldham. Melody Wynn Oldham.
In the waiting room, possibly?
Melanie Oldham.
Hello.
This is Melanie.
Hi, I'm outside your courtroom. I didn't know if it was Zoom or.
All right, let's call it and maybe you can come on in. Hold on. City of Detroit, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Melanie Wynn Oldham. Case number SP 11794831. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Ms. Oldham. Please state your name for the record.
Melody Odom.
Hello?
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Client a 0 do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, valid license, valid insurance.
All right, run her license, please.
Your Honor. Your Honor. Good morning. Yeah, it's Officer Robinson. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
You mind if I leave and sign it with another courtroom?
Go ahead. I got you checked.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Odom. Ms. Odom, I'm going to dismiss your case for valid documentation of cases valid. You have a safe and happy new year, and best of luck to you. You're muted.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear. It's kind of loud outside, but.
Dismiss, ma'am. You have a valid driver's
Thank you
license.
so much.
All right, best of luck to you.
Happy New Year.
You too. Lester Lee. Officer Whitehead, waiting on Officer Whitehead to show up. Your matter is set for trial. And we're going to give the officer a half-hour grace period. If the officer does not show up, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does show up, we'll get you in the breakout room with an attorney. Okay, Mr. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor. I appreciate your instructions.
All right, there we go. Thank you. Well, let me get the names of that phone. 313-282-2601. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Deborah Gavin.
Gavin. Good morning to you.
Deborah Gavin. Debra. Deborah Gavin.
Okay, thank you. Good morning to you. Mr. Bowman, can you go to number 4, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this is 313-420-9265. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Gates.
Say that again.
This is Miss Gates.
Miss Gates.
Yes.
Does Miss Gates have a first name?
Raina Gates.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Raina Crystal Gates.
Raina Crystal Gates, yes.
Okay. All right, let's move on. Rodney Gordon, is Rodney Gordon here? Rodney Gooden, I'm sorry. Rodney Gooden.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Ask to start your video and turn your camera on. And mute yourself. You already unmuted yourself.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning.
You have a middle name? Is that Rodney?
It's just an initial.
City of Detroit versus Rodney L. Gooden, case number SB 1640441. Appearance from the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gooden.
Rodney L. Gooden.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, let me see. Get Mr. Gooden an updated offer, and keep in mind, Mr. Gooden, that you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. If you don't like that offer, we'll set a trial later. All right?
Okay, thank you.
Judge, we're ready on Gillespie.
Okay. Join the room, please. Ms. Shanae here. Shanae. What about Laurie? Brianna Laurie?
Andrea Lowe.
What about Brianna Laurie?
Andrea Lowe.
It's for Andrea Lowe. She's just on my.
Oh, okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is Detroit versus Andrea Lowe. Case number, Andrea Denise Lowe, case number SP 1633936, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lowe, please state your name for the record.
Andrea Lowe. Andrea Denise Lowe.
Morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, give Ms. Lowe an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lowe, you have an absolute right to a trial. So if you don't like the offer presented to you, then we'll give you a trial date, all right? I'm gonna put you in a break. Have a conversation with Ms. Harris and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right.
All right. Gillespie.
Yes, Judge.
This is the state of Michigan versus Alicia Gillespie, case number SX4461211. Appearance for the record, please.
Sean McDermott, P46101. On behalf of Ms. Gillespie, I have had a chance to talk with prosecutor and officer and have reached a resolution whereby upon a plea to LAS 6-10, the original charge would be dismissed.
All right, as for purposes of your client's appearance, counselor.
We request that you waive their appearance. I do have full authority to act on their behalf.
I'll waive the presence. You are retained counsel and indicated to the court that you have the authority and permission on your client's behalf. And you had a limited access 6 to 10. That's going to be $135. You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
Yes, Judge.
Hey, Trooper, are you there?
Your Honor, the I have the trooper's telephone number. I spoke with him about 15 minutes ago. He said he was going to be in and out.
Very well. Okay. With that, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10, $135, and I'll give the client until January 17th to make that payment. All right.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good morning.
All right, you have a better one. Happy New Year to you.
Yep, you as well. Take care.
All right. Are we ready on Gooden?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back to the record with Mr. Gooden. Mr. Gooden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gooden?
Yes, Your Honor.
I need a good phone number from you, please.
734-829-8141.
I have 734-829-8141.
Correct.
I'll give you a pretrial date and a trial date. The pretrial date is just to make sure that that attorney has had contact with you. The pretrial date is going to be January 31st, 2025 at 8:30. The trial date be February 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. So just make sure you come back January 31st. If you get back January 31st, and you haven't had that lawyer, you need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that time, then we'll appoint one on the spot for you, all right? January 31st, 2025 at 8:30 next day. Have a safe, happy new year to you, and I'll see you back in the month.
Same year.
I think. All right, let's go back to, let's call this one Mr. Let's go call back on the record with Jermaine Monteith Gray. Appearance for the record, Mr. Johnson.
Morning, Judge.
All right. If this is your case, you're signed up. I don't know if you had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Gray or not.
All right. Oh, yes. I also have a few more today. If I could speak to Mr. Bowman first.
Put Mr. Gray, and put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gray, please, since we're there.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Gray.
Dane Gray, are you still there, Mr. Gray?
Yes.
All right. Your attorney's here. I'm going to put you in a breakout room number 5. And I'm going to give him an opportunity to pre-try your case and just wait on him to come see you. All right.
Okay.
All right. Join the room, please. You can go to Mr. Bowman. Who else do you have, Mr. Johnson? Oh, he's in there already.
Sorry. Okay, good. I have Ms. Grubb, Osborne Grubb.
Okay.
Ms.
I
Gavin.
haven't seen this person yet.
She's on here in the main session.
Okay. And who else? All right, just go speak to Mr. Bowman. We'll get them all down.
Okay, thank you.
What about Osborne? Tanika Osborne? Tanika Osborne?
Yes, I'm here.
Did I get the pronunciation correct now?
Yeah, it's Tam Unique.
Tam Unique. Okay, good morning to you. Happy to you.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Taking care of business. So blatant.
All right. Yeah.
However, that doesn't stop.
All right, tell them to come in. Oh, Tam Unique Grubb. So you're Mr. Johnson's client, right? Yeah, Ms. Grubb.
Yes.
You're Mr. Johnson's client, so I'm gonna wait on him to get out of the breakout room. And he's working out now.
Okay.
Come speak with you. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 6, okay?
Okay.
All right, this City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jessica Lyle, case number SB 163-2407, counts 1 and counts 2. Here to the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lyle.
Jessica Lyle.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, you get Ms. Lyle another offer, and Ms. Lyle, keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Go speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room, see if he can help you out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right, Mr. Applebaum. I can't hear you. All right, Ms. Harris, are we ready on low?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Andrea Denise Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel, and you say plead to improper plea.
And dismissal of the other matter, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
And the other matter would be dismissed.
Dismissed. Ms. Lowe, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
I'm gonna fine you 240, and I'll dismiss upon payment, all right?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Lowe. Swear or affirm? No, your other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I'm going to tell the truth.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes. Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 18th, 2024, around 8:16 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Burton and Hustle. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have the officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Yes, that's so clear. No.
Why is that?
I didn't understand the question. What did you say?
Why couldn't you produce the insurance?
They had expired. I was in the process of getting a new company.
Okay, very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. I'll fine her 240. I told you I'll dismiss upon payment. And the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lowe, when can you pay it?
Can I have 2 weeks?
You may.
Thank you.
Come back January 17th, 2025 at 8:25. Have it paid. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, if it's paid, then we'll dismiss the case. All right, come back that morning. Because if it's paid one of those two ways, it'll go through immediately, and you don't have to show up if you don't want to.
Okay, thank you.
If I don't see it's paid, I'm gonna need to see you. Okay.
Okay.
What's the
amount? 240?
240.
Thank you.
You are. City of Detroit versus Rashavian Gunn. Give me the correct pronunciation, please.
Rashavia Gunn.
Okay. Good morning to you. It's case number SP 60461, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 161854881. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I believe this is Attorney Johnson's matter.
All right. It's got everybody today, huh? I'm gonna pass the matter. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7, Ms. Gunn, and Mr. Johnson's gonna come see you, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see, next is Cortez Lawrence. I believe I may have muted Mr. Lawrence. Cortez Lawrence, he's on the Zoom user.
Yes, right here.
Where's Cortez Lawrence? Who's
Right
the other
here.
Zoom? Who's the other Zoom user?
Hello.
Yeah, hold on one second.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's sure. That's Miss Green. That's Miss Green. Okay. All right. I didn't rename this one. Do we have Cortez Lawrence? Are you Cortez Maurice Lawrence?
Yes.
City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Cortez Maurice Lawrence, case number SB 1630680, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 163069001, SB 163088991. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lawrence, please state your name.
Cortez Maurice Lawrence.
Today, warrant to you today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, you know what to do. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Give Mr. Lawrence an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, Mr. Lawrence, I'm going to give you a trial date. All right.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Speak to Ms. Harris. Mr. Applebaum, did you get your audio together? All right. Mr. Let's go back on the record with Lyle, Jessica Lyle.
Yeah.
I'll give you the opportunity, Ms. Lyle, to speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a another pretrial date to allow her to bring the documents.
Where is Jessica Lyle? All right. All right. What is today set for? Retrial?
Today is set.
We're going to set it for a trial date.
All right.
We'll set it for a trial date, Ms. Lyle, to keep going on track. That'll give you time to give me. I'll give you a trial date of February 28th, 2025, Ms. Lyle, at 9 a.m. There's nothing further. Happy New Year to you, and I'll see you back.
Happy New Year.
End of February.
Okay.
All right. I think that Mr. Lee, Officer Whitehead, is here. This is the City of Detroit versus Lester McKinley Lee. Case numbers SB 1624944, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1624981, SB 1624986. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry.
With us, Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Lester McKinley Lee.
Good morning to you, sir. Corporal Whitehead, are you in the room? Let's see, Corporal Whitehead was here. Have them as joined on time. I don't know where he went. All right, he's there. He's just not responding. Mr. Berry, speak to Mr. Lee. You may have to speak to Mr. Bowman about it as well. Give Mr. Lee an offer. If he doesn't like the offer, we'll hold the trial. All right, Mr. Lee, we'll join the room and speak to Mr. Berry, please.
Yes. It's saying something about a breakout room.
Yes. All right, Mr. Applebaum. Find out who this is. Good morning to you on the telephone. I just let in the room at 313-828-0692. Good morning. What is your name, please?
Javon Andrews, report for Katriana Gibson for the dogs.
Say that again?
My name is Javon Andrews, reporting for Katriana Gibson.
Oh, you're an inspector or an officer?
No, I'm the one who had the dogs. She was home at the time, so they gave her the information.
You're here, you're Andrews, and you're here for who, Gibson?
Yes.
Okay, all right, just give me a minute.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Berry, Mr. Bowman, I think they're waiting on you in 4.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Corporal Whitehead. Is that Corporal Whitehead?
Yeah, were you calling me?
Yeah, I did. You got Mr. Berry speaking with your defendant.
Okay.
I'll set you up in breakout room 4, and Officer Valenstein, I'll set you up in breakout room 4. And Inspector Ball, good morning to you. Good afternoon to you all. I'll put you in 4. And you can wait. Baker,
okay. Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you.
All right. And Andrews, what is your first name?
No, Javon.
Javon, spell it for me.
Javaun.
Javaun. Andrews.
UN.
And you're here for Gibson, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are we ready? Any lawyers ready? Mr. Applebaum, are you there?
You speaking to me, Your Honor?
No, Mrs. Gibson is here, so we're gonna trying to call it in order they came in. We're gonna give them an opportunity to let the officers show up if they do. Now we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Warrant Officer goes. All right, so we're just waiting on a lawyer now. And an interpreter.
Excuse me, Mr. Perkins.
Yes.
Am I supposed to be just waiting in the?
Just waiting. Yeah, you waiting at number 6 on Mr. Johnson. He's in there talking to the city attorney now.
Okay, I'll just make sure they didn't forget about me.
All right, no, they didn't forget. Okay.
You gonna send me back?
No, you go back. It's always going to be open to you. If you look down on the bottom of your screen down there, you should be able to get back in. Maybe it's a more or something down there or something.
Oh, join breakout room. Got you. Okay.
Okay, good morning to you. Remind me of your name.
Candace Ward.
Ward?
Lord,
Lord.
Not Ward. Board of Commissioner of Police say Ward, but it's Lord.
Lord. So, Miss Lord, are you on the docket today?
On November 25th, when me and my lawyer were here, you with Otto and Visual scheduled, because he had another trial today, but I just have a general question. Okay. Why would someone hand me personally, while I'm standing here, put February 10th? How can someone overrule you when you and my lawyer scheduled January 6th because he had a trial? Someone can think they can overrule a judge, just make a different February 10th, but
did your lawyer agree to that?
Yes, you two agree.
To the February 10th.
No. On November 25th, pull up recording notes, you and my lawyer said January 6th, 9 o'clock, because he had another
Spell your
trial.
first name, please.
C is cat, A is apple, N is Nancy, D is dog, A is apple, C is cat, E is elephant. And last name Lord, and you want to really put my maiden name.
I have marked
C-Y-C-Y-K. That was just changed.
I have March the 10th as your court date. Hold on.
She just changed it.
Who changed it?
She did not.
She did not just change it. She did
just gave me the paperwork. Because I got paperwork for February 10th.
Okay, what's going on?
Well, you want to see the paperwork I was handed personally in this courtroom?
But she's saying what are you saying? Your date is what date is supposed to be?
If you pulled your notes with the recording, you and my lawyer personally, because he had another trial, you personally said, okay, January 6th, 9 o'clock. But give me a second. I was standing here personally, whoever handed me that date, they changed it to February 10th. How can someone that types things up that same day?
I don't see that in here. I don't, you have the paperwork? I see on November the 25th that the trial date was scheduled for February 10th.
No.
This is what I'm saying. Let's see what you have.
The discussion with my lawyer, because Mr. Dupree had another trial. He's very busy. So you personally said, okay, January 6th at 9 o'clock, because he had another trial. I don't own no car.
I understand. We're gonna understand. But what I'm asking you is, do you have the paperwork saying that it was that date?
I had the paperwork. I got it at home, but I can come back down here.
Why
it's
can't we do
very
this
irritating when people, what you say, they think they can overrule you.
Why is it to February 10th? Why is it blocked February 10th?
You're doing a vacation administration.
No, I'm not going on vacation February 10th. It's supposed to be 2nd through the 8th.
Let's see, because I think
I got the one for February 10th when I was personally handed of November 25th, when you and my lawyer personally, let's pull the video, made a deal saying, okay, January 6th, 9 o'clock, because he had a trial.
Judge. So that's why it's moved to March.
Call Dupree.
I did, I didn't get an answer.
All right. We'll figure out. Are we ready on anybody? Let me get Attorney Dupree in here. We're waiting on a lawyer anyway. Let me get Attorney Dupree in here, Ms. Lord.
He's somewhere in the building.
We'll find him.
She tried to find him.
Mr. Applebaum, are you ready? All right. Well, what is you have an issue with, you want this done? I know you want this resolved.
I need this dismissed, not on my driving record.
This is not on your driving record.
And when you pull up your criminal history, that ticket shows up.
Yeah, that would be, but
that will ruin my disability.
It won't ruin your disability if it's just an allegation. It's not ruining your disability now. You're saying it would ruin your disability if you were found guilty of it, right?
I already proved to you 2 years of no drugs. I can sit around anyone and I thought I'd do nothing.
No, I'm not saying, I'm not saying that, Ms. Lord. I'm saying that you are, I know you want some resolution to this, but what is the issue? If it's March, we can get it quicker than March. Can we get it in January? I want to speak to Mr. Dupree to make sure his schedule is right.
Check with Dupree to see how his schedule.
Can we do not do the first week of March? It's my birthday.
Let me see if I can get you sooner. I'm going to talk to Mr. Dupree to see his schedule. If his schedule is okay, we can get you in a couple of weeks. We just got to give the officer.
Well, I did on November 25th. Your verbal speaking, whoever typed it out with his schedule in his computer was January 6th, but yeah, she handed me February 10th. How can she type anything she wants?
No, she's not typing anything she wants. She's not typing anything she wants.
She didn't listen to what you said.
Listen. If at most it was a misunderstanding, okay? She's not typing anything she wants. So if it was a misunderstanding, then that's what we'll call it, a misunderstanding. And we'll leave it at that. Now, what we'll try to do, what we'll try to do is we'll try to get Mr. Dupree in here and to find out his schedule. And we can see when we can, as soon as we can get some resolution.
I only have one question.
What's that?
If we can't get this, don't do March.
All right.
First week of March, that's my birthday.
Okay.
Someone's taking me to Chicago.
All right. Congratulations. All right. No, we'll try to do it sooner than that. All I'm gonna do is wait on Mr. Dupree to see how soon he can.
You know, every time
I thought you only had one question.
No, this is a fact. Every time I get handcuffed in 35 years, first ticket I got, I was locked and they had to cut and save me, but yet they arrested me. Then I had another one with the school. I won that. Sterling Heights, let's go back 35 years with the major dope deal. I won that. It was dismissed. I'm getting tired.
Okay.
Every time I walk in, I'm getting tired of 9 Princeton putting handcuffs on me, and I'm winning. That's harassment.
understand your pain. All right, let me take care of Miss Amanda Lee, City of Detroit.
Sorry for that, I usually get
Just relax.
so much.
Just relax for a minute, okay? Have a seat.
I should have
Miss
a lawsuit.
Miss Laura, relax for a second. City of Detroit versus Amanda Jean Lee. Case number 243580761. Miss Lee, good morning to you. State your name, please.
Good morning. My name is Amanda Lee.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a review.
Yes.
3-month delayed sentence. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss your case. Okay.
Yes,
and, wish you a happy new year, ma'am, and best of luck to you, right?
All right. Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Anybody else here for a review?
I don't know if I'm here for a review.
You don't know what you're here for then, right? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Cortez Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel and a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to mark the file, need appointed attorney. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that attorney does not reach out to you before the next court date on January 31st, 2025, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I'm also going to put this on track and keep it on track with the trial date of February the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you a happy new year, and I'll see you back at the end of the month.
Okay, that you said the next court date will be January 31st?
January 31st. So look at your email and your answer to calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, all right?
Okay, perfect. And what time? I'm sorry.
8:30.
8:30, perfect. Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day. Where is he? Good morning to you, sir. All right, City of Detroit versus Anthony Robert Gray, case number SP 1630755, counts 1 and counts 3. Here, state your name for the record, please. All right, I see that you're in the payment plan, sir. Best of luck to you. Thank you. And you're done with me. All right. Thank you. All right, have a happy new year. You too, sir. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Harris, you're waiting on. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Shardazia Green, LaShawn Green, case number SP 1634219, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Ms. Green, are you there?
Yes, sorry. Shardazia Green.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris is going to have a conversation with you. She'll get you an offer. And if you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Ms. Laura, do you want some water?
I gave her some.
Oh, you got some? All right. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer. Oh, Gibson. Triana Gibson. Give me the correct pronunciation of your name, Miss Gibson.
Hey, Triana.
Okay, Triana. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's show up here. All right. Way Stephen. Way Stephen. I don't see a Way Stephen here. All right, we can dispose of this. This is the city of Detroit versus Catriona Gibson, case number B11173219, B11733319. Somebody, is there a lawyer here? Appearance for the record. Just state your name for the record, please.
Hey, Triana Gibson.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there a Stephen Way Animal Control badge 071, Stephen Way Animal Control badge 071? Hearing no response and not seeing that individual in the room or any other breakout rooms, it is now 9:38. With that, we're going to dismiss the case, no officer, all right, on the court's own motion. All right, if there's nothing further, I don't think you need to say anything, Mr. Andrews, correct? If there's nothing further, Ms. Gibson, have a safe and happy new year and best of luck to you, okay?
Happy New Year. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Andrews, you don't need to say any more, do you, sir?
No, sir. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you both.
Appreciate it. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. You're free to leave. All right, Queen Oliver, is Smith here? Is D. Smith, Officer D. Smith. All right, let's go back on the record. Or did we ever call it? Let's call the City of Detroit versus Queen Loretta Rose Glover. I'm sorry, Glover. Case number SP 1636106, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 162611701. State your name for the record, Ms. Glover.
Queen Maletta Rose Glover.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there a Darwin Smith, Officer Darwin Smith? Hearing no response and not seeing that individual in the breakout room on the court's own motion, I'm going to dismiss the case, no officer. If there's nothing further, Ms. Glover, happy New Year to you and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Wash. All right, are we ready on Ms. Green? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, case is going to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, both counts.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Green, your cases are dismissed. Be safe. Happy New Year to you, and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Well, all right, this is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Carlos Lionel Luna Burrito, case number SP1605071, SP162655551. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Luna, please state your name for the record.
Carlos Luna.
Mr. Luna, you need to turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you. Today is time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. You don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
All right, let me breakout room. Join the room, please. Mr. Barry, are we ready on Lester Lee?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester McKinley Lee. Mr. Lee, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to have him plead failure to secure a loan on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence, as well as the open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Are you going to have to quiet that phone down, Mr. Lee?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. It didn't belong to me. Somebody else is taking care of it because I'm kind of antiquated with this technology, and my daughter's assisting me all of the way with this.
All right. You want to take the deal? This is open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger.
Yes, I mean, the way it was presented to me, Your Honor, I just don't see, no sense in continue to prolong this. It's difficult for me to even attend these sessions without the knowledge on doing so and stuff. And, I just got to accept the responsibility. The same way that I took responsibility of the vehicle, I got to accept the responsibility of what transpired while it was in my possession.
Ms. Cameron spoke to Ms. Munoz, Mr. Munoz, and said that it was a dismissal.
Ms. Cox. What is tarp load, Mr. Barry?
Well,
is that a point ticket?
I do not know, but it is part of the dismissal. It is to be dismissed.
The tarp load or secure load?
No, the tarp load is being dismissed. The secure load reduced to a 3-month delayed sentence.
And all this happened on the same occurrence?
Yes, sir.
Well, you know, the open alcohol is passengers a 2-point offense. You understand that, Mr. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor.
Gonna be a $240 fine.
Yes, I'll just need, time to pay it because, I only live on a disabled veterans pension, so,
Why don't you go to Veterans Court then?
Huh?
Why don't you go to Veterans Court?
For the ticket?
Yeah.
I didn't know I could. Like I said, this all happened, Your Honor, spontaneously.
Don't say too much.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to go to Veterans Court?
No, like I said, I'd rather go on and expedite this matter because I already got some serious things I'm dealing with at the onset of this new year, and it involved my home and stuff. So I just want to expedite this and get it behind me.
Well, listen, I understand that you got other serious things going on, but you're a veteran. You've been through a lot of serious stuff, and you're still here.
Yes, sir.
So I know everybody's. I can only imagine that the serious stuff you're going through has to deal with money, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And if Veterans Court can do a better job for the cases and the money because you've served our country honorably, why wouldn't you take the time to go over there?
Well,
if you don't want to go, you don't have. I can't make you go, but yeah, I'm trying to understand the logic.
No, it's not that I don't want to go. I just want to, like I say, get this matter resolved, in the best way that I can. And it seems like that I'm, in position that I have to accept the responsibility of what took place because the truck was left in my responsibility.
Listen. You just said I want to try to get this done in the best that works out for you, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm trying to send you to Veterans Court because that's probably going to be the best thing for you. That's why we have it.
Well, if that's possible, Your Honor, I've never been to a Veterans Court before, but I don't know how it works or what's the existing procedure, but I'm willing to try it.
All right, let's get Veterans Court over here. Get somebody. All right, we'll pass the matter. All right. All right. That gets me down to Robert Lee.
Yes.
Now you're ready. Now you're up, Mr. Lee.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I got Lee and Lee. What is your middle name if you have one, Mr. Lee?
Edward.
And good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Oh, what's your date of birth?
10/26/64.
This is the city of Detroit versus Robert Edward Lee, case number B12-996-723, B12-996-823, B12-996-923, let me strike that, SP-103-4025, counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3. SP-113-28831.
I'm only here for
3. Hold on. Wait a minute. Am I doing this or are you doing this?
I just one. I just
113-2883, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 163-47911, 2039-7657, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Robert Lee.
As for purposes of arraignment on the warrants, counsel.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. So here's the deal, Mr. Lee. We're going to treat it like a one-stop shop, right? Now, I can't expedite things in that way. That all of these cases, you're only here on the docket for one case of show clause. All these other cases are in warrant status. And we're going to treat it like a one-stop shop so that when you're done, whatever date that is, you'll have all of this stuff resolved and you'll know what the outcome is on it, all right?
Can I ask a question? Because I don't even understand. I don't know what's going on. I don't have any warrants. I don't know of any warrants. Where do I get warrants from? What am I being charged with? I have no.
All right, so let's run it down. So we won't waive the formal reading. We'll read the formal reading into the record. So we have V cases: dog restraint, failure to vaccinate dog, and no dog license. Those are 93-day misdemeanors, and or $500 in fines, the maximum possible penalty for those offenses. We have, and you can write this down, Mr. Berry. So that's 3 dog cases: dog restraint, failure to vaccinate, no dog license. We have a driving while license suspended repeat offender, unregistered untitled motor vehicle misdemeanor, and a no insurance misdemeanor. Those are 93-day misdemeanors, maximum possible penalty or $500 in fines. We have a improper plate misdemeanor, an unregistered untitled misdemeanor, and a driving while license suspended misdemeanor. Those are also 93-day misdemeanors, maximum possible penalty and or $500 in fine. We have a loitering ticket. That would be probably a 90-day misdemeanor and a maximum of $500, and a license improper and a no insurance misdemeanor, maximum possible penalty of 93 days in jail and or $500.
And all the
hold on a second, please. Can you just listen?
I don't know when any of these occurred, sir. You're naming like 15 things. I have a clean record. I don't understand where 1,000 cases came from, and I don't drive. I don't drive.
You're Robert Edward Lee, October 26, 64, correct?
And I don't drive. I'm disabled, sir.
Okay. On the first set, on SP 103-4025, counts 1, 2, and 3. The allegation was made October 16, 2019. That's the driving while license suspended, repeat offender, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. On the SP 1132883, counts 1, 2, and 3, improper plates, unregistered, untitled, and driving while license suspended. The allegation was made on November the 5th, 2020, at around 4:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Huntington. On the loitering ticket, that was made on October 27, 2024, around 7:05 p.m. in the area of 7 Mile and Kenfield in the city of Detroit. The driving while license improper and no insurance misdemeanor 20397657, counts 1 and counts 2. The allegation was made on 9/29/2020 at around 1:14 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Evergreen. On the dog tickets, B tickets. I'll just put it there. Mr. White, these tickets were made, the allegations were made on 9/8/2023 at 10 a.m. in the city of Detroit at 20083 Graydale Avenue. That's a dog restraint, failure to vaccinate, and no dog license. You also have a failure to yield right away. You owe $210 on a civil infraction. Riding a moped on the sidewalk, 168. Defective brakes, 294. You also have an improper display of plate, 180. We're not even discussing these tickets because these tickets are long been in default. I'm just giving you what's all on your record. You have an expired plate, 228. A no proof of insurance of 288. That 288 is blocking him from getting a driver's license.
I never, that's what I'm saying. I have been getting things from IRS saying that some people have been using my identity, but I don't drive, sir. But we'll take care of it after this. But I drive. All of these came from one thing that
if you could just stop talking.
You were letting me talk. I've
already heard you. So you got to understand how this works, Mr. Lee. It's a process and a procedure. Now, yes. What I told you was the allegations that were made against you, okay? And I ran those down for you. You didn't let me finish the other stuff, but I'm not going to go there anymore. I'm done with that. Now, you indicated to me that there's potential that you didn't do this stuff, that you had somebody using your name and you have IRS paperwork and stuff like that. Well, what that's called your defense. So what we have to do is we have to give the officer an opportunity to come in here and tell his side, and then you come in here and tell your side. And now is not the time to do that. But based on what you just told me, I can set you a trial date. I can also get you an appointed attorney if you need to. What would you like to do?
I would like an appointed attorney because this is the first time I knew of these things. That's all I'm saying. So that was I had a clean record. I was just expunged. I had a clean record.
He just keeps on talking. You just keep on talking. You got diarrhea of the mouth.
You just asked me, sir. You just asked me. I didn't
ask you. All I asked you is, what do you want to do? Do you want a trial date? You go into all this about, I got my record expunged. So all of this, I mean, we're not even there. We're not even talking about that.
I'm surprised of all of these things you're reading off. That's all I'm saying. I'll tell you this.
I'll tell you this. Sometimes people do get tickets in other people's names and do that. Sometimes that does happen. A lot of times is that person's tickets, they forgot about them. I don't know what the case is in your case, Mr. Lee. I just don't know. I wasn't there. I didn't make the allegation. All right. I'm just here to give you a fair day in court. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need a good phone number from you, please.
Hi. Area code 313-399-8578.
8578. What I need you to do, I'm gonna mark the file, need an appointed attorney. I'm gonna set a pretrial date of January 31st, 2025 at 8:30. I'm also gonna keep it on trial on February 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. You need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by January 31st, we're going to appoint one to you on the spot. We'll get one in here right on that day if you don't have an attorney, so we can keep this thing moving. And then you can put up whatever kind of defense you and your attorney come up with, all right? And I'm here to listen to it, all right?
That's January 31st at what time?
At 9 a.m. I mean, January 31st at 30. And then the February 28th at 9 a.m. Do you have any further questions, sir?
I'm scared to ask anything. You seem to get mad.
Why are you scared to ask? You can ask. You just don't have to go into all of your defenses and I didn't do it and I don't need to hear all that.
this is what I'm saying is that I've never heard of any, I've never gotten a ticket or nobody's ever told me I had anything. Even when they took me to jail, they never said I had any case. They told me I had one thing out of Oak Park. They said I need to go take care of it. But the rest of my record was clean. That's why I'm so surprised. But now that you're saying it's not, I do understand I got to do other things. But I'm just saying, I've never gotten any papers, anything from courts, anything from anybody. This is the first time I'm hearing all of these cases. And all my daughters are vaccines and everything. So I have that paperwork. I don't understand how that could even come up. But okay, but I'm ready now. I'll see you on the 31st, and I'm surprised. I'm totally surprised. From one laundering thing that they sent me, they saying show cause, and I was in jail. And so I'm showing here today to show cause, and then you just read off like 15 different things. And I'm like, wait a minute, where did all of this come from? So that's all it was. I'm just surprised. I have a clean record. I don't understand where it's come from. I'm not a criminal. That's it. I won't say nothing else. I'm just surprised. It's shocking.
You got it off your chest?
It's shocking. I got it, sir. I understand.
All right, so listen, I'm gonna definitely remember Mr. Robert Lee because he's so shocked and surprised. We're gonna see what happens on the 28th. I'm sure all my YouTube fans are gonna be watching that too. We're gonna see what happened on the 28th. All right, Mr. Lee.
Which one is the 28th? Which one is that for?
Trial day. That's when we get down to the nitty gritty about whether Mr. Lee was driving them cars up on 7 Mile, all up and down 7 Mile with no license. That will do some court. All right.
All right.
Okay. All right. To come back the 31st first. All right.
Yes.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you. All right. Happy New Year.
He's saying he called for some veterans court. He's
all right. You're free to leave, Mr. Lee. You're free to stay if you want to.
Oh no, I'm leaving. I'm trying to. I don't know how to work this. I'm leaving.
You've been to court though. You've been to court, so you know how it works.
I've never been on this. What are you talking about? I've never ever had it. I don't know what to tell you. I'm sitting here telling you I've never got these. I don't know what you're talking about, but we'll find out. I don't know trying to work it.
All right, Mr. Lee. Have a great day, sir. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Calvin Greer, case number SP 1633-8391, SP 1633-9371. Appearance for the record, please.
Calvin Greer. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name, Mr. Greer.
Calvin Greer.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a free trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Greer an updated offer. Mr. Greer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Luna. Mr. Luna, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjourned pretrial. It's my understanding he has an appointment with the Secretary of State this afternoon.
I'm gonna set it for trial. February 28th, 2025. And you can bring it in on that date, all right, Mr. Luna?
All right.
All right, best of luck to you, February 28th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Happy New Year to you. I'll see you back in the end of February.
All right, thank you. You as well.
Yancy's coming.
I'm free to leave, right?
You're free to leave.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Yancy, good.
Dupree is a key. It's finishing up the marriage.
Very good. Dupree is on his way, Ms. Lord, all right? All right, let's go with Deborah Gavin. Ms. Gavin, press *6 to unmute yourself. Is Ms. Gavin there? Let's do, that's not do Gavin, let's do Mr. Girls. Miss Cox, are you there? All right, we gotta wait on Miss Cox. Give me a minute. Let's do Deborah Gavin. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Deborah Gavin, case number D13705924, D13706024, D13706124, D13706224, D13706324. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I believe that's Attorney Johnson's matter.
Yes, that's true.
Another attorney, where's Attorney Johnson? He's at 6. So Ms. Gavin, state your name for the record, please.
Deborah Gavin, DEBRA. Phone had cut off, I had to call back. I was already online, but it.
That's fine. Ms. Gavin, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Johnson has been working on your case. He's gonna come in and speak to you, all right?
Thank you.
So just wait in that breakout room and we will get to you as soon as we can, all right?
All right, thank you. Let's see.
Okay, let's move on down. Ms. Cox, are you ready yet? Well, let's get to Gates. Raina Gates. Was that Mr. Johnson as well?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. All right. Ms. Gates, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm so sorry, I am here.
Okay, so we'll go back to, good morning, Ms. Cox. Can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, previously qualified Spanish interpreter, waiting for my results.
Very good. I'm sure they're going to be excellent. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do. I do.
Very well. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Luis Fernando Taquinas Grisales, case number SP161-40731, SP163-10041. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamando el caso contra el señor Luis Taquinas Grisales, SP 16140731. Por favor, digan su nombre para las actas.
Presente, Luis Fernando Taquinas Grisales.
I am here, Fernando Taquinas Grisales.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Grisales.
Y la abogada Harris representando al señor González. Grisales.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Harris, give Mr. Grisales an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Grisales, if you don't like an offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Le pidió a la abogada que le diera a usted cuál es la oferta que le han hecho, pero el juez le quiere recordar que usted no tiene que aceptar esa oferta si no lo desea.
¿Perdón?
Excuse me?
No entiendo qué oferta me hablan.
I don't understand what the offer is.
All right, Ms. Harris is going to explain it to you. Just join the breakout room and speak with her, please.
La abogada de apellido Harris le va a explicar cuál es la oferta. Ahí ve el micrófono que dice unirse al al grupo de sala de grupos pequeños, por favor acepte la oferta.
Ok, ¿me lo pueden enviar nuevamente?
Can you send it again, please?
It's there.
Ahí está, dice el juez.
Let me try to put them in another. Okay, Ms. Cox, he's in there.
Okay, I will go there too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are we ready on Mr. Greer?
Yes, Your Honor, ready.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Calvin John Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What do you want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
On an unsafe manner and a no insurance misdemeanor?
Well, we don't seem to have a knowledge of what the unsafe manner ticket is.
Well, I can give you maybe. I think that anybody can. It doesn't have any notes down here saying, it just says violation of basic speed law, basically a speeding ticket. That's all unsafe manner is. I mean.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, meet me in breakout room 4, please.
What that tells me is that there was no radar, because I don't see any radar here, that the officer visually observed driving over the speed limit, and there's no amount, there's no pacing, there's no nothing to indicate, you know, except that he was going faster than the posted speed would support to the officer. All right, go back into the breakout room and speak to Mr. Bowman, and let's see if we can work this out. Join the room, please. Mr. Greer, give Mr. Berry a minute, all right? All right, Mr. Whitey, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Judge. How are you?
Right, this is the city of Detroit versus Shalanda Iola Good. Case numbers SP 112204441, SP 1426078, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1428496, count 1, and SP 1521268, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Dennis Whitey, P79560, on behalf of Ms. Good, who is present by way of Zoom.
Ms. Good, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Oh.
Unmute yourself, please, Ms. Good.
Oh, God.
Ms. Good, there you're up. She's sleeping. Ms. Good. All right, she's sleeping. So you might want to call your client.
I will, Judge. Just want to check if Officer Benger or Rybinski or Grise checked in.
Officer Bender, good morning to you. He was here.
Okay, he checked in. Okay, I know the other officers are here. Is Mr. Grise, Officer Grise, did he check in?
I don't see a Grise. Mr. Bowman, what about Officer Grise?
Let me,
I don't see Grise. I see Willie Robinson, Bush, and Bender was here, but I don't see him now.
let me double check, Your Honor.
Judge, I can join Mr. Bowman in the breakout room and get this worked out.
Okay, cool. Room 4, Mr. Whittick.
Okay.
Could I have Mr. Greer back in breakout room 2?
Yes, Mr. Greer, go back to 2, please. All right, Mr. Yancey, good morning to you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself. So just hit the button. You can do it. You can just hit the button. It says unmute, hit the button. Mr. Lee's usually, he's used to having servants and stuff like that.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Lee, Mr. Yancey, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please, and Happy New Year to you?
Happy New Year, Your Honor. Kenneth Yancey on behalf of Specialty Court, Your Honor.
All right, we have Mr. Lee, who is a veteran, and he wants to speak to you. And he's got a few cases. He was going to take a plea today, but once we learned that he was a veteran, I felt that it would be prudent to get you into and have him talk to you. So talk to Mr. Yancey. He's an expert in what he does, Mr. Lee, and he can explain everything to you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now you're gonna have to join this breakout room. Hit the button, just hit join. He did it? He did it. Very good. All right, let's pass. All right, are we ready, Mr. Berry? Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
He joined. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Calvin Leon Greer. What's going to be the outcome here?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel.
You couldn't work, but they don't want to do anything about a violation of basic speed law.
That is correct.
All right. So we're gonna need appointed attorney. What I need from you, Mr. Greer, is your phone number. So like
248-278-3938.
All right, and then the trial is going to the next pre-trial is going to be January 31st, 2025 at 8:30, and the trial is going to be February 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Be back. If we don't answer the calls you don't recognize, one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have that appointed attorney, we'll get one for you on the spot. All right.
Okay. You said the 28th?
On January 31st is the next court date you need to concern.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Berry, Miss Gavin, can you press star? Did she ever? Oh, she's with Attorney Johnson now. All right. So let's go down to Raina Gates. Is Raina Gates here? Press star 6 to unmute yourself, Miss Gates. Star 6 to unmute yourself, Miss Gates. All right. Good morning.
Okay. Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Raina Crystal Gates, case number SP 1636739, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gates.
Raina Crystal Gates.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're not going to give your client a $0 bond. And Ms. Gates, I'm going to need you to join in on a device that I can see who you are. I'm going to give you a $500 personal bond. I'm going to order you to test 1 time per week. I'm going to order you not to leave the state, no leaving state without court's permission. And obviously no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer the matter to probation so they can execute the bond and make sure you're following the bond conditions. I need a good phone number from you, please. Is this a good number to call you that you're on now?
Yes, sir.
313-420-9265. I'm gonna give you the number. I'm gonna give you the number to probation. That's 313-965-3414, just in case you don't hear from them. Today is Monday, January 6th. I need a test.
Okay.
I need
Can
a
you
test.
repeat that? Can you repeat that number again?
313-965-3414.
3314.
3414.
3414.
I need a test this week, and I need a test every week thereafter until the case is concluded or to order otherwise, all right? I also need you to answer the calls from probation. They're gonna reach out to you. If you do not hear from probation, and it gets toward the end of the week, I'm not gonna accept the fact that they didn't call me. I need you to do your work in getting back in touch with the court and letting us know so we can get somebody in here on the spot. So that you know, do you need an attorney for this?
No.
Are you gonna hire your own?
No, I need one.
Mark in the file, need an appointed attorney. You need to answer the calls you don't recognize for that appointed attorney as well. I'm setting a pretrial date of January 31st, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If you don't hear by then, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot. Last thing I'll say is that the testing, I need to see testing on a regular basis. I don't want to see any missed, any diluted, or any positive tests for alcohol. If I see one of those, then we're going to up the ante on the bond. Do you need me to explain that to you?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Do you have any further questions?
No, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. And next time you come in, make sure you're on a device where I can see who you are, okay?
Yeah. I tried that, but it didn't work for me, so.
Well, you're gonna have 31. Yeah, you're gonna have some less than 30 days to figure it out, all right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, man.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Prince Lovelady. Mr. Prince Lovelady.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Prince Lovelady, case number SP 1624925, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lovelady.
Prince Michael Lovelady.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Baker, are you there? He's in the breakout. Mr. Berry, speak to Mr. Lovelady. This is one count of allowing. The other count of no insurance misdemeanor. The allowing is pretty fact intensive on the people. So speak to Mr. Lovelady. Mr. Lovelady, Mr. Berry is going to have you get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, then we're going to hold a trial. All right.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Okay. Let me get Miss Harris. You have a question?
I do. Would Mr. Grisales be able to, I guess, be admitted to the Southwest Community Justice Program and do community service there if he does a plea today?
If he does, yeah, we can get him over there.
Okay.
All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Marcola Goicha. Case number B5028924. B5036074. B503688824. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Applebaum for the defendant, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Applebaum. Mr. Goichai, good morning to you. Can you put your name on the record, please? Where's your client?
He was there. He's been there he's been there the whole morning, Your Honor. Is he not in the?
Oh, he hasn't been there the whole morning.
I'll call him and have him come back in, but I saw him on here a few minutes ago.
He's here. He just has unmuted, so
Oh,
that's not, he hasn't been here the whole morning.
he was having trouble. Yeah, he didn't know that he had to, he thought there was a Zoom number, so he texted me and I told him he had to go to the website.
Mr. Applebaum, I'm just saying he hasn't been here the whole morning. He's one of the last that checked in. All right. So state your name for the record.
Can you hear me, Honor?
I can hear you now. Good morning to you. Happy New Year to both of you.
Happy New Year to you too. Thank you. Thank you, Honor.
State your name for the record, please.
Mark Goichai. Mark Kola Goichai.
All right. All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I do have Inspector Walton is here. Have you worked this out, Mr. Applebaum?
Not yet, Your Honor. I'd like to meet with the city attorney and the officer in a breakout room so I can give them an update on getting the license. We're in about the top of the 9th inning.
All right, let me put you in 4. I gave you privileges too, and I'll give it to you again. I'll give you privileges. So I'm going to put your client in 11. If your client takes a deal today, make sure your client, you read them as advice of rights. If not, we'll get secure an adjournment, talk to Mr. Bowman. As soon as he gets out the room of the officers, I'm going to order him to break out room 4, all right?
Thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, are we ready on Mr. Morales?
Ready.
Let's go back on the record. Does he want to go to community court?
Yes, Your Honor. He's been advised of his rights and is prepared to do community service.
Sí, dice la abogada, llamaron a su caso, señor Grisales. Usted ya sabe cuáles son sus derechos y usted está dispuesto a ir a hacer trabajo de servicio a la comunidad.
Yeah, I got back. I lost the Zoom for a minute.
Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Continúe, señora Harris.
Your client has been advised of his rights and is aware of the community court program and stands ready to do community service.
Mi cliente sabe cuáles son sus derechos y está dispuesto a hacer trabajo de servicio a la comunidad en ese programa especial.
What we'll do is take the plea today, and then we will have them back on Wednesday morning for them to set up the time and stuff, all right?
Dice que entonces el juez dice lo que van a hacer hoy es aceptar su declaración y usted tiene que regresar este miércoles para entonces decirle cómo va a funcionar ese programa.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
All right. What's going to be the deal, Ms. Harris?
¿Cuál es la oferta, señora Harris?
He could enter a plea to 1 count allowing. The remaining count would be dismissed.
Va a entrar un cargo de que usted permitió que una persona sin licencia manejara y los otros 2 cargos serán anulados.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, levante su mano derecha, señor Grisales.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad y toda la verdad, nada más que la verdad?
Lo juro.
I swear.
Or you can put your hands down.
Puede bajar la mano.
Pues.
Thank you.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la sentencia máxima para este cargo podrían ser 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multa? ¿Entiende?
Sí, señor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que tiene un derecho absoluto de pedir un juicio?
Sí, señor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
La abogada Harris le dijo cuáles eran sus derechos, ¿verdad?
Es correcto.
Correct, yes.
Understood those rights?
¿Entendió sus derechos?
Sí, señor.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Usted entiende que al aceptar esta oferta usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí, señor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo diferente de la oferta que le han dicho ahora?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October the 16th, 2024, around 9:52 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Junction and McGraw. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Quiero que usted se acuerde del día 16 de octubre a las 9, alrededor de las 9:50 de la mañana en la ciudad de Detroit, cerca de la calle Junction. En ese día, a esa hora, usted tuvo un encuentro con un policía.
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Estaba manejando?
Estaba manejando.
Yes, I was driving.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
El oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia válida.
Es correcto.
That is correct.
You couldn't produce that license, could you?
Y usted no pudo presentar la licencia, ¿correcto?
Es correcto.
Correct.
Why is that?
¿Por qué?
Porque no cuento con los requisitos necesarios que requiere el Estado para emitir una de Detroit.
I do not have the required documentation that the city asks for.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. I'll order him to do 12 hours of community service. I told him I'd dismiss upon completion. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter now.
Con la estipulación de los cargos propios, voy a anular los otros cargos, lo voy a encontrar culpable del cargo rebajado de permitir a una persona sin licencia conducir. La condena son 12 horas de trabajo de servicio a la comunidad.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, dijo la abogada.
Okay. What I'm going to do, I need to give me a good phone number from you, sir, please.
Yes, Your Honor. He already gave it to Ms. Harris, so I have it. It's 313-414-4396. El juez pidió su teléfono y yo le di el que usted me había dado.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Okay, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, he was not given that, Your Honor. I know that.
He was not. I apologize.
No.
The number is 313.
Usted anote I'm sorry, Your Honor. 313.
879-2155.
879-2155.
Yes.
Ok, el número usted anótelo es 313-879-2155. Ese teléfono es del centro del suroeste de Detroit que usted tiene que llamar. ¿Anotó el teléfono?
¿Oeste de Detroit?
Suroeste de Detroit. El centro suroeste de Detroit. ¿Anotó el número?
313-879-2155.
Okay. I checked with him and he had the number right, Your Honor.
Okay. What I'll do is you don't have to come back Wednesday. I'm going to send them a message, give them a call this afternoon and set the hours up. If you don't hear from today, then give them a call Wednesday afternoon, all right?
Dice que no tiene que regresar el miércoles. Él le va a decir a ellos que usted va a llamar y tiene que llamar o esta tarde o si no, vuelva a llamar el miércoles por la tarde.
Vale. ¿Hablan español?
Yeah, they speak Spanish.
Sí, sí hablan español.
Ask for Miss Buentello.
Pregunte por la señorita Buentello.
Buentello.
All right, it's nothing
Entonces-
further. Be safe, and you should reach out to them, and I'll send the stuff over this afternoon. Okay.
Él le manda la información a ellos esta tarde. Usted, por favor, llámelos. Ya se puede desconectar. Thank you, Your Honor.
Muchas gracias.
Your Honor, I was also called for somebody, Marisela Garcia. Is she not here?
You can reach out, ask anybody.
Aquí está
Hello.
alguien de apellido Marisela García que necesite un intérprete o otra persona que necesite intérprete.
Yo voy a necesitar.
He says that person on that phone that ending in 7924 says he will need an interpreter. ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Sotero Gabriel Alvarado Díaz.
His last name are Alvarado Díaz.
Okay, we'll give me a minute, okay? Give me
And
a
Your
minute.
Honor, I do need to go help in another court, but so I will mute myself.
All right, thank you. What is his? Give me the spelling of his name before you mute yourself.
Yes,
Guys.
Alvarado, Alvarado, and Diaz, Diaz.
And that's his full name?
That's his two last name. His first name, he said, is Totero, Totero. Dígame su nombre otra vez, por favor.
Sotero Gabriel Alvarado Díaz.
Sotero is S-O, and Sotero and Gabriel are his first names.
Ask him, does he have a case number?
¿Tiene el número de su caso, de su tiquete?
Sí, es el 360 434 0000.
No, ese es el número que tiene que, he gave me the Zoom number, Your Honor. No, ese es el número donde tiene que llamar. El número del tiquete empieza con SP por lo general.
Es SP 16 48 01 81.
Ok, SP 16 48 01 81.
He's supposed to be show cause and Virgil Smith on 1/21/2025.
I'm here.
1/21/2025. 1/21/2025. He's in the wrong courtroom.
Dice que no está en la corte correcta. La fecha de su audiencia es el 21 de enero del 2025 con el juez de apellido Smith.
No, porque mire, solo tenía una pregunta. El problema es que la videollamada que tengo por Zoom es lo que es el 8, el miércoles. Y la verdad no sé cómo hacerle para poder llamar por Zoom.
So he has a question. He thinks his date is on the 8th and he does not know how to make a video Zoom call.
His next court date is January 21st, 2025 at 1:35 p.m. in courtroom 533.
Dice el juez, le repite que la fecha de su audiencia es el 21 de enero a las 1:30 de la tarde en el salón de juicio 533.
¿Tengo que yo ir allá o me van a hacer videollamada por Zoom?
So can I do a video call Zoom or do I have to be in person?
You can do video Zoom.
Puede llamar por Zoom.
Una pregunta, ¿cómo debo de llamar por Zoom? Por el correo que me mandaron en la hoja.
So how do I call the Zoom? The number that I got on the paper that I received by mail?
Yeah.
Sí.
All right. All right, have a great day, sir.
Okay, tenga un buen día, señor. Thank you, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
whenever you can come back and check and see if your other client comes back in after you're done in there.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Well, all right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Shanae Grant, case number B1249893, B1249923. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Grant, please state your name.
Hi, my name is Shanae Grant.
All right, you need to turn your video on, Ms. Grant. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there a Walton? That's not. Is that Inspector Walton?
Yes, I'm Inspector Walton with the City of Detroit Building and Safety Department. ID number 1477.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for trial. Ms. Harris, speak to Ms. Grant in the breakout room. Ms. Grant, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, and today is the date and time set for trial. Inspector Walton is here, all right? Put you in a breakout room, please.
Okay.
Inspector Walton, this is Prosecutor Bowman. Can you meet me in breakout room 1, please?
Yes, if you can.
Thank you.
Okay, if you can send me there, because I don't know if I was in.
You were in 1 already. All right, are we ready on Goychak?
We're ready, Your Honor, on Goychak.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goychak. Mr. Goychak, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's going to happen?
I spoke to Mr. Bowman. He's going to grant us an adjournment because we're pretty close to getting all the approvals we need.
We'll reset it one more time for the 28th of February. Trial.
Thank you, Your Honor. 8:30, 9 o'clock?
9 a.m.
Pardon me?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, and Happy New Year to the both. All right, who are we ready on? Mr. Berry, are we ready on Lovelake?
We are ready, Your Honor. I've not had a chance to speak to Mr. Bowman, but my client has valid insurance, and we only have a trial.
Mr. Bowman, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lovelady. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to your attorney. You need a chance to speak to Mr. Bowman. Mr. Bowman, this is allowing and a no insurance. Mr. Berry has confirmed that his client has insurance.
Yep, Your Honor, the Victor Bowman P33764 for the people. The recommendation for Mr. Lovely is a allowing and a dismissal of the second ticket.
All right, so what do you want to do with that, Mr. Berry?
We want a trial if need be.
All right, so we'll pass it and we'll have a trial then. All right. You want to speak to Mr. Bowman?
Yeah.
See if you.
Let me speak with Mr. Berry, please.
All right. Go to breakout room 4. Both of you, please. All right. Now, Mr. Whitey, what's going on with you and your client?
We're ready, Judge. I have an offer we're accepting from the prosecutor, and there's a no officer and a lack of memory on the others.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Good. Ms. Good, are you up now?
Unmute.
Yes.
All right.
I'll
Good
probably
morning.
die.
I know everybody wish they could get some sleep like you or some extra sleep, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So all of these cases are going to be dismissed?
No, Judge, the SP 142-84961 is DWLS. Officer is here for trial. We have an offer for allowing him to drive, and we're going to accept that offer. The rest of the cases on the docket are no officer or lack of memory.
Okay, so SP 142-84961, and then what is that gonna be, allowing?
That's going to be allowing, Judge.
You wanna take the deal, ma'am? I'm gonna fine you $145.
Yes.
I mean, 240, I'm sorry, 240. Do you wanna
Yes.
take the deal?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial. This good.
Yes.
Absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Whitey went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 1st, 2023 at around 2:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Conan and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so? You couldn't do so?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have license.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. So which ones are no recollection?
No recollection is SP 112-20441. And then also the SP 152-1268-1 and 2.
And then the SP 1426078 counts 1 and counts 2. Is that no officer?
Actually, Judge, I got that wrong. Those last two are fail to recollect, and the ones ending in 68, 1 and 2, that's no officer. Just want to make sure they don't get penalized at DPD for because they were here.
No, wait a minute. So I have okay, 1521268 counts 1 and counts 2. Those are no officer.
That's correct.
And then SP 1426078 counts 1 and counts 2. What is that?
That's no recollection.
That I haven't seen Officer Gray here.
Officer Bender's on that one.
No, that's Officer Gray.
Oh, okay. Whatever Officer Gray's on is no officer. The rest are no recollection. I'm sorry if I'm confusing it.
And Officer Willie Robinson, no recollection.
Correct, and he's certainly here.
Absolutely. All right. So you have a host of other. I'm gonna fine you $240. I'll dismiss upon completion. You owe a host of other civil infractions. $288 for 31 plus over. The no insurance is affecting her license, $288. An expired plate, $228. A drove due care caution, $156. A failure to stop at a stop sign is 126. On the other matters, I'm going to waive the warrant fee. If there's any reinstatement fee, you'll pay that. And when can you pay the 240, ma'am?
I need a couple months.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 30 days to either pay it or get in a payment plan.
Okay.
Come back. I'm going to mark the file, allow payment plan. You're going to have to come down. You're going to have to come down to the court and get into that payment plan. But you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Two best ways I can tell you to pay, excuse me, come back on February the 13th, 2025 at 8:25. If it's paid, we'll close the matter out and dismiss, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, be safe, happy new year to you, and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Take care, Ms. Good. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right, we ready, Mr. Johnson? All right, Mr. Johnson.
Ready as to Mr. Lovelady.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lovelady. What is Mr. Lovelady? What's going to happen now? Has anything changed?
Yes, Your Honor. The matters are to be dismissed per the prosecutor.
Case dismissed. Per city attorney, Mr. Lovelady. Have a safe and happy new year and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a happy New Year's.
All right, thank you. All right, that gets me down to Link. Link. Is that Talisha Link?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Talisha Marie Link, case number SP 160388881. And you might as well enter SP 1650128, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1650429 into the record as well. Appearance for the record, please.
Talisa Link.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Link, Your Honor.
All right, so what today is a date and time set for a trial. Officer Valenstein is here. Can you put your appearance on the record, officer? Still in the room? Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, officer, and your badge number.
Officer Vinal Stein, badge number 4744, sir.
Stein, I'm sorry. All right. Good morning to you and happy new year to you both. Let's do this, Mr. Berry. There was a no insurance misdemeanor for this case. Now the new cases are failure to use turn signal, insufficient effective lights, and another no insurance. So get Miss Link an updated offer. Ms. Link, keep in mind, you already know that you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer, right?
Yes.
I mean, we can handle it this one right now and deal with the other 3 later. That's up to you and your
I
attorneys.
like to do it all, not to cut you off. I like to do it all today.
All right, go ahead and join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry, all right?
So there's failure to use a vehicle signal and no insurance in a third matter.
And a defective lights. She has 2 no insurance misdemeanors, the one with Officer Valenstein today, and then there's another 3 set of tickets with failure to use turn signal, defective lights, and a no insurance misdemeanor as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's pass the matter. Gets me down to where's Miss Harris? She's in there talking. So the officers on Diamond Love. Diamond Love, is Diamond Love here? Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester, Mr. Lester Lee. Mr. Lester Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Yancey from Specialty Court. How was the conversation?
Oh, the conversation was enlightening, but I don't meet their criteria. He told me that their court is more garnered toward veterans with a substance abuse, and I told him I don't have that problem.
Mr. Bowman, so we have, all right, let's go ahead and continue to take. Mr. Berry was the one that worked this out for you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And did you raise your right hand? Did I swear you in?
Yes, I have it up now as well, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right. And Mr. Yancey, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Kenneth Yancey on behalf of Special Court, Your Honor.
And that is correct with his understanding, Mr. Lee's understanding is correct. You got to be a substance abuser veteran?
I was just explaining to him that, you know, part of our criteria is screening and some form of treatment usually. If he doesn't have any of those criteria, there's, he can be helped through Veterans Court without being in Veterans Court. And that's probably the best avenue for Mr. Lee.
That's probably the best avenue with these cases, correct? I mean, Mr. Lee, he said they can help you over there.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't meet their criteria, and
he's saying there's something else there.
I'm just trying to expedite this in the most expedient way possible. Your Honor.
Mr. Yancey, I appreciate you showing up. I appreciate it, and I'm good to see you. Happy New Year too.
Happy New Year, anytime, Your Honor.
All right. Who else was going to say something? Let me. Mr. Lee, you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Berry, did he go over your other advice or rights with you in the breakout room?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, they haven't, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September 19th, 2024, around 10:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Merton Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Were you operating this 2006 Chevrolet?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
Was that a pickup truck?
Yes, sir.
And did you have something on the back of that truck there?
Yes, sir.
And did something fall off, or what happened?
No, sir, nothing fell off. I was just taking the liberty to pull over to inspect the load as I had all the way in procession to where I was going. I didn't go out any main streets. I took the side streets, and when I was forced to turn on to the main street, I was also turning right there off of 3rd and McNicholas to check the load, as I did periodically all the way in process to where I was going, because, I only had some tie downs on it.
So what is this failure to secure load? What is this?
The officer suggested that I should have had a tarp.
Mr. Lee, hold on a second.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Corporal Whitehead, are you there?
Your Honor, I can contact Corporal Whitehead.
Yes,
He's in
I'm
another.
here. I'm
Oh,
here, Your
okay.
Honor.
What is this failure to secure load?
The failure to secure load, he had a lot of stuff on the truck. It wasn't secure. All he had to do was hit a bump and all that stuff would have been in the middle of the street. That's why I wrote that violation. He didn't have anything tarped down, strapped down or tarped down. I did advise him of that. I told him if he took pictures of it, show me in court, I wouldn't have a problem dismissing it.
Well, why would he have to show you pictures? You saw it.
Oh, absolutely. But I told him if he strapped it down, take pictures of it. Once we get to court, you see what I'm saying, Your Honor? Once we get to court,
so you gave him a chance to go where he need to go to strap it down and then tarp it, and you were going to take his word for it and dismiss it that way.
Absolutely. If he'd have showed me, yes. I've had an encounter with Mr. Lee before, and I gave him a break.
So, Mr. Lee, what's going on? You say all this about I was going on the side street. You know what that indicates to me, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir. It indicates that I'll say I knew that the load wasn't totally stable. I only had some tie downs on it. But when the officer pulled behind me and flicked me, he told me that I was failure to secure the load. And after that, I looked in the back of Mr. Pope's truck and I did find some additional straps and tie it down before I proceeded on to the salvage location.
Okay. So, but you didn't tarp it up or anything right there.
No, I didn't tarp it. I just put some more straps on it. I didn't have a tarp.
But again, you telling me that you riding all up side streets, and when you had to hit 6 Mile, you didn't want to hit 6 Mile because you knew I had to go down there like you were supposed to.
You're exactly right, Your Honor. I didn't want to go out 6 Mile because 6 Mile is actually very adjacent to where I live on Parkside. But I took the side streets because
you were trying to
be cautious.
You were trying to take the path of least resistance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And now, all right, all of that's okay. Okay, I can get you didn't strap it down right. He's even Mr. Corporal Whitehead is a fair man. I've always known him to be fair. And he's even trying to saying, hey, you can strap the load down and just take a picture of it. You could have took a picture of the load on another day and sent it to him. And he probably
if I
wait, let me no. Let's get to this alcohol in this car.
Yes, sir.
That wasn't Mr. Polk's, was it?
Yes, it was. Everything in the vehicle was his. I didn't have time to get anything, Your Honor, except take the keys from him in front of my house when the EMS took off, and then I just proceeded on. I didn't check the vehicle. Hey, as the officer gave me the tickets for, I didn't have no registration, no paperwork or nothing. Only Mr. Pope's keys. And I just proceeded on. That's it.
And what kind of alcohol was in there?
Just beer. That's what he drinks is beer. Yes, sir.
Was it open?
Yeah, I guess it was an empty bottle with just residue in it. Just it wasn't even a swallow of beer. The officer had me to take it off of the door, step away from the vehicle, and he photographed it himself.
Mr. Corporal Whitehead.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, let me say this, Your Honor. It was more than a swallow. Like I said, I had encounter with Mr. Lee in the past. I've gave him a break. I've seen his open alcohol in the car, and I'm looking at him on the passenger side where he's the driver. And I'm like, wait a minute, man, you can't be driving with open alcohol in the car. Come on, man, step out the car. He stepped out, and I told him to pour it out. He cooperated and poured the beer out.
He didn't say it was Mr. Polk's then, did he?
I don't remember him saying it was Mr. Pope. I'm looking at him. and it's on his side, which in arm's length. So, you know, I gave him a benefit of the doubt by not impounding the vehicle or any of that because he didn't have any paperwork. So I had to do extra steps to find out whose vehicle it was.
So Mr. Lee, was it your beer or not?
No, it wasn't, Your Honor. It was other empties in the back of that vehicle, Your Honor. Once I took that load to the yard, I brought that man's vehicle back to my home, parked it on the side, and got in my own truck and went up to the hospital and got this information because that was what was part of the directive the last time when I was supposed to initially start this case in the court. And I went up there and made copies of all of this information. And just like I said, it was several empties and other stuff in this vehicle. I could not tell you exactly too much or nothing that was in the vehicle when I took possession of it and took off. And because I wasn't worried about none of that, I was just trying to take my time going down the side streets to get that stuff where it needed to go, then do exactly what I did, bring that man's truck back to my house, and then I got in my own truck and went to Henry Ford.
Why do he keep calling me? I am on Zoom.
All right. Well, I had to find you guilty because you admit that it was some alcohol in the vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Because and no matter whose it is your responsibility to make sure that there's no open containers of alcohol in any vehicle that you're driving, no matter whose vehicle it is.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of open alcohol passenger. And I'm going to find you guilty as charged to the failure to secure a load. What I'm going to do is I'm only going to fine you for one of them. I'll put no fine for the failure to secure a load. And I'll fine you. Go ahead.
Your Honor, as to the failure to secure a load, that's on the basis of a 90-day suspended sentence.
All right, so what I'll do is I won't fine you for the open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. I will fine you for the failure to secure load, $240, and I'll give you 90 days to pay it. You said you're on a fixed income. And
yes, sir. I'll pay it next month at the beginning of the month, February.
All right, come back, review on April the 3rd, 2025 at 8:25 a.m. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. The two other matters will be dismissed. All right?
Yes, Your Honor. So that'll be $240.
240. The other two will be dismissed, and then I'll close out the open alcohol motor vehicle passenger, and you'll have the 2 points on your license. All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right. I'll pay that at the DivDat kiosk the beginning of the month when I receive my pension.
All right. If there's nothing further, be safe out there, Mr. Lee. Happy New Year, and of course, Mr. Whitehead, you be safe, and you have a happy New Year.
Yes, sir. You have a happy New Year and a blessed one as well.
All right, Mr. Lee, take care, brother.
All right, you as well, and stay safe out there.
Okay, now.
April the 3rd, Mr. Lee, come on back and let's make sure that's paid off.
Yes, sir. He said April the 3rd, right?
April the 3rd. All right, let's go with let's get Mr. Garrett started. Marvin Garrett, are you there? Well, let's go back on the record with Mr.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
I'm here, Your Honor. All right, let me go back on the record with Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, the case is going to be dismissed per the city attorney. Is that what my understanding is, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
Waive the warrant fee. Ms. Grant, be safe. Happy New Year to you. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Inspector Walton, you be safe out there, and I'll Happy New Year to you, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you. See you next time.
Marvin Grant, this is the city of Detroit versus Marvin LaFont Grant, case number SP 1637211, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1637221, state of Michigan. Let's call Z80942919. Strike that 195046971, and the state of Michigan versus Marvin Grant, case number SX 295354001. Appearance for the record, please. Nobody wants to touch this one, huh?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
My name is Marvin Garrett.
Garrett, I'm sorry, Garrett. You got the right one. Turn your camera on, sir. Today is the date and time set for, sorry for mispronouncing the name, set for a show cause, Counselor.
Your Honor, with regard to arraignment, my client would stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on his client's behalf. I'm not going to give him a $0 bond either. I'm going to give him a $500 personal. I want to order you to test 1 time per week. I'm going to order you not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. I am going to order you not to drink during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer the matter to probation. You need an attorney, or you're going to hire one on your own?
Okay, I'm sorry. Am I going to have an attorney? Do I need one?
Do you need an attorney, or are you going to hire one on your own?
Yeah, I need an attorney. But may I just state for the court's records that I am already currently on a probation right now, and I'm on I'm out on bond right now as well.
Okay, you know, this might be a violation of that bond. So
what
are you on bond for? Probation for?
I believe it's for actually I really don't know. There's so much stuff going on with my paperwork, Your Honor. I really don't
know what you're on probation for.
Like right now, I'm thinking it's a case that I may have caught for further back in my time.
What you on there for?
All right. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-412-3460.
All right. I'm gonna give you the number to probation.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. Let me just get a pen real quick. Okay, I'm ready.
313-965.
313-965.
3414.
3414.
3414.
Okay, I got it.
All right, what you need to do is I'm ordering you to test. So I need to have a test this week and every week thereafter until the case is over or until I instruct otherwise. So probation should reach out to you, but I don't want to hear next time you come to court that you didn't get a test this week because nobody called you. If nobody calls you and it's getting close to the end of the week, you need to get back in touch with the court. All right. I expect all tests to be negative. I expect all you to make all the tests and not miss any. If there's any missed, positive or diluted test, we're gonna up the ante on the bond. You understand that?
Okay.
Your next court date is going to be January 31st, 2025 at 8:30. You keep your phone open for the probation department so they can facilitate the testing, and for the attorney, hopefully that attorney calls you and you have contact. If that attorney hasn't contacted you and you come in March 31st and you still haven't heard from one, we'll get an appointed attorney on the spot with you. Do you have any other questions?
No, sir.
All right, if you don't have any questions, Happy New Year to you. Best of luck to you, and I'll see you back on the 31st.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, officers for Kayla Leasia, she never showed. I don't think Calvin Charles Green has showed. And Diamond Love has not showed. Moses Luckett has not showed. Let me see who this is in this room right quick. All right, are we ready on Grub?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
What's gonna go on with Link?
Your Honor, I have Ms. Link, and Ms. Link has all of the charges against her satisfied in terms of her vehicle and the like.
All right. All right, 1 second. That on that just came in, I let in the courtroom in that TCL force T432W device. Unmute yourself, ma'am, and state your name, please. On the TCL device, I'm asking you to unmute yourself. What's your name, please?
LaShawn Grace.
Grace, why are you so late?
I had an IEP test with my son this morning.
Sean Grace, okay. All right, give me a second. All right, let's go back on the record with Link. So it can't all be satisfied, Mr. Berry, because it's this failure to use turn signal. Is that why the defective lights is there? Is that because the turn signal didn't work? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Just a moment, Miss. I didn't have a turn signal charge, Your Honor. What we have
I said failure. So on the 3 sets on the SP1650128 counts 1 and counts 2, and the SP1650429 seeming those happen all in the same. Seems like they happen all on the same occurrence. There's a failure to turn signal, insufficient defective lights, no insurance misdemeanor, and then on the case we have Officer Valentine here, it's another no insurance misdemeanor.
My client has valid insurance, Your Honor, that I've seen, and she has shown me her vehicle to have all the lights working at this time. So I guess I do need an offer as to the failure to use signal, Mr. Bowman.
That's because I didn't know the blinker. The blinker was out in the back.
Just a moment.
Oh, sorry.
So, she's indicating, is that the light you got fixed? Is this what you're trying to say? All right, Mr. Bowman, you need an updated offer for Ms. Lee.
You're muted, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Berry. If the paperwork is proper and we have photo evidence that the vehicle has been repaired, then we will dismiss all of those tickets. If there is still a remaining moving violation as to the improper turn, the people's recommendation would be impeding.
Well, what she's trying to say is that it was not an improper turn, it was failure to use turn signal. And she's indicating that was a part of the defective lights that she got fixed. Is that what you're trying to say, Ms. Link?
Yes, when I got the rear blinker was out. So of course, if I signaled, but if I don't know that it's out, I didn't know that it was out in the back. So I got over, I put the blinker on, and the officer didn't know because the blinker. Okay.
All right. So, Mr. Barry, you said that she fixed the blinker. You saw that it was fixed.
Yes.
All right. What do you want to do, Mr. Bowman?
Dismissal, Your Honors.
Dismiss, ma'am. Safe and happy New Year. Provided valid. All right. Best of luck to you. All right.
Okay. Thank you. You have a good day too. Thank you.
Best of luck. All right. All right. City of Detroit versus.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Excuse me. This is Officer Goes. A good day to you. As far as Kayla, if she's not here, are we okay to leave?
You're free to leave.
Thank you kindly. Have a good rest of your day.
Safe.
And Your Honor, this is the interpreter also. Miss Garcia is not here. So is she a no-show? Am I allowed to go then too?
You're allowed to leave too, Ms. Cox. Let's see you. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Same back to you and your staff.
All right, this is the city of Detroit, and all the other officers that are everybody else. I haven't seen any other officer that's here on Leasia, Kayla Leasia, Diamond Love, Kevin Green, or Moses Luckett. You're free to leave. Be safe out there. Our city of Detroit versus Taminique Breonna Osborne Grubb, case number SP 131-65581. Appearance to the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II on behalf, P72130 on behalf of Miss Osborne Grubb. She's on Zoom.
Ms. Osborne Grubb, good morning to you. Take your name for the record, please. Unmute yourself. Osborne Grubb.
Sorry, Tamika Osborne Grubb. Can you hear me?
Good morning. Yeah, I can hear you. All right. What's going to go on with this, Mr. Johnson?
Setting a bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right. Trial date is going to be February 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Grubb?
Yes.
Best of luck to you. Happy New Year. Be safe. I'll see you back in February.
Thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Rush Shavia, Kenesha Gunn, case number SP 1604361, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 161-85481. If I messed your name up, ma'am, I apologize. State your name for the record, please.
Maybe again, it's okay, Judge.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Johnson, put your appearance on the record, please.
Vassal Johnson for the record on behalf of Ms. Gunn.
All right, today is the date and time set for a, what's it set for, Mr. Johnson?
Pre-trial today. We're asking for a trial date.
All right, same date, trial, February 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. There's nothing further, Ms. Gunn. Happy New Year to you. Be safe. I'll see you back at the end of February, all right?
You said February what day?
February 28th.
28th?
Yes.
You said it.
Yes.
No.
Thank you. You have a good day. Happy
New Year.
City of Detroit versus Jermaine Monteith Gray, case number SP 1242210, counts 1 and counts 2. Go ahead, Mr. Johnson.
Vassal Johnson for the record on behalf of Mr. Gray. He's on Zoom.
Mr. Gray, again, state your name for the record, please.
Jermaine Monteith Gray.
All right, what's today set for?
It's pre-trial, Your Honor. Pre-trial and warrant status. You have to be arraigned on the 2-4 case.
That's not my case. Let me see. That's not my case.
Oh, I see. Looks like Jones.
He's gonna have to go to Snapper Jones on that.
Okay.
We're dealing with improper plate, no insurance misdemeanor. You want to take them all over and see if she can all over there with her?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll set another pretrial for the 31st.
Okay.
And when you get them over there, then you can ask her, can she take all these as well and work out a global resolution?
Will do.
All right, January 31st, 2025 is the next pretrial date. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Be safe out there. Have a happy New Year, right?
Mr. Gray, we'll be in touch.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
What about Gavin? Did you speak to her?
Yes, need a trial date for her.
This is, let's bring her out. This is the city of Detroit versus Gavin. I already called the case into the record. Let's recall the cases. Ms. Gavin, I'm giving you an opportunity. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Gavin. Ms. Gavin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, you want a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, trial date.
Got some information to provide me.
Uh,
She has some information on her case to provide me. Just want to state that on
All right, Ms. Gavin, we're going to give you a trial date for February 28, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Gavin, be safe and have a happy new year, and I'll see you in a couple of months.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Have a good day. Happy New Year. I don't know why.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day. No, sir.
That's it?
That's it.
All right, city, all right, be safe, Mr. Johnson. I'll see you soon.
See you.
Okay. Good day.
All right, well, let's go with the city of Detroit versus LaShawn Carr Grace, case number SP 1535553, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1535637, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for state your name for the record, Ms. Grace, please.
LaShawn Grace.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. Did you complete the community service, ma'am?
I have 35 hours done.
All right. How long will it take you to get the other amount done?
I just need another day. If you could
Just
give
one
me
more
another day. Yes.
You want to come back next week on the 13th?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
And then make sure that the community service people over there get that notice that you've completed the hours, so we can have
Okay.
it in
The woman who was supposed to be in contact with me, she gave me a call, but I misplaced her number. Where do I get her number from?
313-965-8130.
Okay, thank you.
All right, is your baby okay?
Yes.
Great, that's the most important thing, all right?
Mhm.
All right, January 13th, make sure they get that paperwork so we can get you in and out, all right, 8:25.
Okay, thank you so much.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Is that it? I think that might do it.